you wish to apply for checkout or payout. So the idea is when this person applies, admin looks through their account, transfers the necessary money into their bank account that they specified. They specify a bank account here. Admin gets the application, transfers the money through whichever means, bank transfer, wire transfer, PayPal, whatever. Once they transfer it, admin will now click the other button here to say, hey, we just paid you out. So that's it. So this pop-up shows up, and if we refresh, it now says something meaningful. So it says, are you sure you wish to apply for payout? Then okay, and cancel. Makes sense. And then the next thing we want to do is that if we click OK, once this pop-up shows up and you click OK, what will happen is that it will try to submit the content of this form to this this request, this route. You understand? And the route we should deal with is accounts, and we have to create the route. It doesn't exist yet, and I'll just call it apply for payout. Now that we've not created this route, if we try and refresh now, we'll see an error telling us that this route doesn't exist. So what you see, apply for payout not defined, you see. Then another thing is that the method is using to submit the payout application is delete. No, we don't need delete, we just need post request. Simple. I think we should do that too with the second form, post request. Simple post request, apply for payout, easy peasy. So this one should say, are you sure you wish to confirm payout? Alright. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So this is post request too. Beautiful. Now we have to go to our platform. I think the route for this one is this account, and the route should be mark as paid. As paid or confirm payout, anyone you want to use for yours. So I'm gonna we need to create these two routes. So I'll copy it. Now we need to go to create a route. We have to go to our routes file or folder. Look at it under resources, routes, web, and only for logged in users. So inside this group, we're gonna create the route. So I'll start typing route. It's a post request, remember, and then it's going to where accounts / pay. Who remembers? I've forgotten, so I'm gonna paste. Yeah, / apply for payout. Beautiful. And then where will it go to? It will head to comma accounts controller. So accounts controller, and which function we're going to smartly name the function the same thing so that it's consistent. Then we're going to give it a name. Now if you do this, even though you've created the route, you've not given it a route name, if you refresh, it will still give you the same error because we've not created the route name. So we give the route name, and then paste, close. So that's what we have now. Name accounts.apply for payout. Now if we refresh, the error will change. The error will no longer be for apply for payout, it will be for mark as paid. Really? Okay, yeah. The reason why it's not throwing error for mark as paid is because mark as paid is inside an if statement. I'm trying to find where it is. I think it's in show the blade. Beautiful. So this one is inside an if statement. It didn't show, so that's why it's not throwing an error, but nevertheless we still need to create the route. So I'll come to web. I'm closing this. Come to web. Close this too. Close this. I have too many paid files open. Alright, so we get to web.php. I'll paste this on top, then duplicate this line by Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, duplicated, then copy this line, and I think I just need copy mark as paid, delete this, and replace mark as paid, mark as paid, mark as paid. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so mark